EcoHealth.
Have you ever wondered why we have so many body parts? Your eyes help you see. And you can smell beautiful flowers or stinky feet thanks to that nose. Each part has a purpose. Mosquito bodies are made the same way. Their bodies have specialized tools and skills to help them survive. It's Christian here, an education specialist from the San Gabriel Valley Mosquito and Vector Control District. Let me show you how mosquitoes use their tools and skills to bite us, and how we can stop those suckers from bugging us. Every job has specific tools and skills needed to be successful. Some scientists wear lab coats and goggles and use a microscope. Police officers have different tools. They wear a vest and a big belt with handcuffs that get them ready for action. You would expect to find a baker in a kitchen wearing an apron and a chef's hat, not in the forest like a wildlife biologist. Plants and animals are no different. They also have special places, skills, and tools that help them survive and thrive where they live. For over 80 million years on this earth, mosquitoes have not changed their toolbox very much. They've kept the tools and skills that help them survive. But their tools and skills are dangerous to humans.
Oh no!
We call mosquitoes vectors. Vectors are animals that carry and can pass on germs that make us sick. When a girl mosquito takes our blood, she can leave us with a germ. That's why they're so dangerous. Let's uncover the tools and skills that mosquitoes have that make them so good at what they do, but also so dangerous. We're about to get bugalicious! Mosquitoes, like all other insects, have 3 body parts. They have a head, which includes their eyes, proboscis, and antennae. They have a thorax. This is where their 6 legs and 2 pairs of wings attach to the rest of the body. And they have an abdomen. Ready for the details? Mosquitoes have a mouth called a proboscis. Can you say proboscis? It's a long straw-shaped toolbox that helps them get blood during a bite. They can saw into our skin and drink blood using this set of tools. This tool looks like a needle you would find at a doctor's office, but it's different. We don't feel a mosquito bite until she's gone because it's actually made of 6 parts.
Ouch!
Only girl mosquitoes use their proboscis to bite. She needs blood to make eggs. Look at her proboscis. There's a covering that protects her tool. 2 of the tools in her proboscis have a lot of sharp, jagged edges, like a saw that she uses to cut into our skin. 2 other pieces hold the skin apart, and a straw-shaped piece helps her draw blood from our blood vessels. Take a deeper look. That strong, tubular-shaped piece, her proboscis, will help her poke around under the skin until she finds a blood vessel. Once she finds blood, she takes the blood up with her proboscis into her gut, where she can start breaking down the blood. With another needle, she keeps our blood flowing easily by spitting saliva filled with chemicals. But sometimes it's not just saliva. Dangerous germs can be coming for a ride, and they can make us sick. Mosquitoes have antennae on their head too. They don't have ears or a nose like me and you. These furry-looking antennae help them listen and smell. Mosquitoes are super sniffers. Their antennae help them find you and me from far away. Mosquitoes can detect the CO2 in the air when we breathe out from over 30 feet away. Once they get a little closer, they can see us with their eyes. And just before landing on our skin, their antennae help them find heat and moisture. I'm getting itchy already just thinking about a mosquito landing on my skin. Mosquitoes have wings attached to their thorax. They use their wings to travel. That's how they fly up to humans and other animals like birds, horses, and dogs. Although getting close to these much bigger animals is very dangerous for little mosquitoes, this is the only way they can get blood. They also fly up to flowers for their nectar or juice, and they can dry out on hot summer days. So they use their wings to fly around and find shade under leaves or covered porches. The last body segment is their abdomen. The abdomen is like our belly. This is where their organs are found. They use their abdomen to digest blood and make eggs. Don't believe me? Prepare to get up close and personal. While she eats, she only has so much room in her abdomen for blood. So, her abdomen helps her separate the blood and water. Would you look at that? She's excreting the water. Now she has more space for more blood. And they store their eggs in their abdomen. Some mosquitoes lay their eggs directly on the water's surface. Each green oval-shaped item is an egg that she lays one by one, creating an egg raft. Although she lays over 100 eggs per raft, not all survive. Some mosquito babies will get eaten up, and others will not get enough food to grow into a healthy, flying adult. And some mosquitoes lay their eggs on surfaces that will be filled with water in the future, like buckets, toys, containers, and trash laying around outside. Once these items are filled with rain or sprinkler water, and the temperature is just right, the eggs will hatch. So, what place do mosquitoes need to grow? Mosquitoes must have dirty water, just like a baker needs an oven. Girl mosquitoes will lay their eggs in or just above this dirty water, and soon a larva will hatch.
Yuck!
Its mustache brings algae and other food towards its mouth, and its little butt snorkel, or siphon, helps it take in air at the water's surface. The larva will soon become a pupa. The pupa will break out of its casing and emerges as an adult. This whole process only takes 5 to 7 days. Yup, just 5 to 7 days to become a flying, biting adult. To summarize, mosquitoes have special tools to help them survive and find the water they need for their babies. But we need to keep mosquitoes from biting us and laying their eggs because they are germ carriers. So, let's keep mosquitoes away from us and our homes.
So what can I do?
Get rid of the water mosquitoes love before they become flying adults. Look for buckets, toys, plant trays, an old tire, an open trash can that might have a little bit of water and tip the water out. Toss out the items that are collecting water or store them out of the rain and sprinklers path. For a bird bath or a pet dish, tip out the water and refresh it at least 1 time a week. Remember, mosquitoes become adults in 5 to 7 days. And protect yourself. Cover as much skin as possible by wearing long sleeve shirts and pants when mosquitoes are around. And ask an adult to put mosquito repellent on your uncovered skin to avoid bites. Mosquitoes hate repellent. Tipping and tossing can be lots of fun. you can protect yourself and the people you love from mosquitoes and their diseases while you are at home. Go outside with an adult and look for hidden mosquito homes. If you can find and get rid of dirty water, you can make a big difference in the number of mosquitoes in your neighborhood and keep people from getting sick. So grab an adult and get out there!
EcoHealth.